And then I'm going to come in here and look at the question. So the questionnaires are great. One of the things that we found that is really helps your clients if you can do a questionnaire before the shoot, especially with those family shoots or mini session portraits, you can really tailor those to each of the job type. And we do have these as basically they are very tailored. The portrait is different to the family or the event session, same thing, newborn. I actually want to look at this just to review it. I can come in here and view them to see if I actually want to change them. The due date, the name, the gender, if you know. Client can skip the question. Anything you like to do about family. So I'm actually going to keep these because I like them. Because I wrote them. And so the one thing that I would say is if you don't like to ask your clients a questionnaire before the shoot, you can actually turn this off. But we've got our contracts and our questionnaires set up. And now we're going to set up packages.